Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available screen of gestures on OPPO Find X3 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and enter additional settings. Here you'll find gestures and motions, and we can go for screen of gestures, activate them, and the first one is double tap to wake or turn off screen. If you lock your phone, you can double tap to wake up or double tap again to turn it off. Then next option is draw O to open camera, draw V to turn on or off a flashlight, then there's music control. We're gonna cover these three options at one time. So let's lock our screen, draw O to open camera, then we have draw V to turn on flashlight, and again draw V to turn it off. And the next feature was to play or control media, and here you can draw pause to pause or resume music, draw arrow to the right to play next track, and draw arrow to the left to play previous track. And then next in the more we have three different gestures that we can draw, and they should open a specific action. If you click on them, you'll be able to pick that action. So in this case, we're going to go for unlock, enable it, and all of these functions work basically the same way. You just draw different gesture and pick a different function for it. So there's no need to cover all of them. I'm going to go for the first one. Let's lock our phone, draw arrow up, and as you can see, our phone unlocks. Now it asks me to put my finger so I can unlock it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.